Bryn,
Gonna get a
why is
mullet.
Bryn the pretty one in this four-way?
Look at that mullet hanging out the bottom. Perfect.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Can you tell my friend likes OC stuff? Chrome.
Why
run
has
off
he disappeared off camera?
He's run off.
Oh, what have I done?
I thought that was you trying to do a mic drop.
How do I get back to the meeting? Is it here? Yep, I'm in.
Yeah, there we go.
That was fucking golden, Milton.
Nailed it.
Milton, that is not a beard. That is 3 pubes.
You look like a Chinese wise man in training.
So yeah, it's Christmas. Like next week. What we're
It's exactly a week.
it is.
Yeah.
It's not. It's Christmas on Friday, Matt. Through
Yeah.
the magic of editing, it's
Oh,
not
yeah.
Thursday
Yeah.
today. It's Monday.
I forgot editing. It's Monday.
Christmas tomorrow.
Time travel.
The first.
Decoration.
It is a festive engine. I've got to give that to you, Bryn.
Wait.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh no, it's cool. It's cool. Now we're Christmassy.
Nailed it.
It's,
A
yeah.
lot easier.
There is always that staple for a car guy that if you're not sure what to get them,
Buy the most expensive you can afford.
no, give them cash.
Yeah.
Cold.
You can't go wrong with that.
Because we're talking about stocking fillers here, so get like, I don't know which is going to have the more value in it. Fill a stocking with pound coins, and then they can use that to rob a bank by swinging it around their head. Or
Your 20 quid knife will rob a bank too.
that's true, yeah.
We've gone way off tangent.
We haven't. We're still talking about stocking fillers. We've just talked about filling a stocking with pound coins.
It's just what you do with the stocking filler.
Yeah.
Please hold callers.
Hey! He's
He's
got
done
his
it. He's
It's
run
time
away.
to run off.
I fell over.
plastic razor.
Yeah, I've got one of them. Exactly the same.
Very good.
Yeah.
I think we need. I think. Depending what Milton brings back, hopefully he's bringing back something fun.
Oh, you want fun presents or?
Ooh, no, I don't know about that.
www.an. Bryn, are you
I'm
trying
back.
to work out what the rest of that website is?
Oh, here he is.
Definitely summer.
What
So-
was that? What was that, Bryn?
Nothing. I said buy them drugs instead.
No, I
What is
genuinely
what? Really importantly, what is cheaper? A
What?
crack habit or a car habit?
I watched a documentary about crack.
Matt, you told us you smoked crack in the RX-7.
Neither's cheap.
Drugs. Drugs is cheaper.
Drugs, you
Probably.
were doing the math there.
But
Let's
probably
do the
not
maths.
crack. Crack might be more expensive.
Crack's a cheap drug.
I've watched Breaking Bad.
Yeah, you can make it in a caravan.
And
You're lacking deserts though.
I don't think the desert's an important part of it. I think that was just a place to hide it. You could do it in an underground car park.
well, I've got to beat Mantas, and he's bringing a pretty awesome car if he gets it finished.
If,
I'm not gonna spoil it, but
Yeah.
all I'm going to say, Milton, is if we're struggling against Mentes, and I have to, I will throw myself into debt to get my MX-5 back and let you drive it.
well, I think mine's quicker.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Here we go.
that sounds like a race down pod next time both mine and Milton's cars are working.